What's up, you guys? So as you may have noticed, my hair is really smooth and my lips are really red. The lips are because I have eaten 1.5 bags of hot Cheetos. Yeah, I'm getting fat. The smooth hair is because I was at school today and they checked us for lice and I had it. I was the special person. I had to go home early. The reason I'm making this video is because I'm going to China on March 31st. Yay!